Good morning, students. Welcome to class Algebra. This exercise 2B is continue. Question number 4. We are asked to evaluate this expression 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 into 6 by 7 to the power minus 2. We simplified 2 2 is 4. So this becomes 6 2 is 12, 5 7 is 35 to the power minus 2. To change that in the positive index, we will write the reciprocal of this fraction, that became 30 by 12 whole square. 35 into 35. There is a little shortcut process I want to explain in this multiplication. Here is 5, here is 5. 5 5 is 25, I wrote 25. This 25, I wrote 5 5 is 25. Now 3 3. So you multiply 3 into 4, just we increase one number by 1. See, 3 increased by 1, so it became 4. 3 4 is 12. It is applicable, this process is applicable when at ones place we have 5 and 5. This multiplication became 1 2 2 5 and 12 12 is 144. So this explanation, this simplification is 1225 by 144. In question number 4, Roman number 3, expression is 5 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1 to the whole to the power minus 1. So to change this into the positive index, I wrote the reciprocal of 5 to the 5, that became 1 by 5, division, here division. Again this negative index will be changed into positive index, writing the reciprocal of 4, that will be 1 by 4, and this whole power minus 1 came here. Now minus, to write this positive index, we write 1 by 3, that is divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 1. We change this sign in the sign of multiplication, so we will write the reciprocal of this 1 by 5 into 4 by 1. 4 by 1 became the reciprocal of 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 3. This sign is changed in the sign of multiplication. We will write the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1 to the power minus 1. We multiply numerator and denominator. 1 into 4 equal to 4, 5 into 1 by 5 to the power minus 1. 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 1, 3 to the power minus 1. To change this minus 1 in the positive index, we will write the reciprocal of 4 by 5, that will be 5 by 4. Similarly, to change this in the positive index, we will write the reciprocal of 4 by 3, that will be 3 by 4. LCM became 4, 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 4. If we cancel it, we are getting 1 by 2. In question number 4, Roman number 5, this is the expression 4 square into 6 cube into 10 square by 5 square into 8 into 12. So I splitted this number as 2 into 2 because 2 2 is 4 whole square, here also whole square. This 6 is splitted as 2 into 3 whole cube. 10 is splitted as 2 into 5 square whole square. This 5 square is here. This 8 is written as 2 into 2 into 2, and this 12 is written as 2 into 2 into 3. And now I separated these powers. 2 square, this 2 square, 2 cube into 3 cube into 2 square into 5 square. And I wrote this expression in the exponential form. 5 square, 2 to the power 5 into 3. Since the bases are same, so the powers will be added. Base is 2 and the powers, sum of the powers, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 2 to the power 9. 3 cube and 5 square. Similarly here 5 square this 5 square I wrote here, and exponential form of this 2 to the power 5 here, and 3 is alone, so I wrote. While the bases are same and it is divided, then the powers are subtracted. 2 to the power 9 is divided by 2 to the power 5. Simplification will be 2 to the power 9 minus 5. 3 cube is divided by 3, so simplification will be 3 cube minus 1. Here is power 1. And 5 2, this 5 2 minus, this is the form of division, so this power will be subtracted from here. 5 2 minus 2. If you subtract 9 minus 5, 4, 3 square 5 0. I wrote this 2 4 times, 3 2 times, and 5 to the power 0. If power is 0 upon any number, that is 1. So instead of 5 to the power 0, I wrote here 1. This multiplication became 144. In question number 5, find the value of n. This is the expression 1 by 7 to the power minus 4 into 1 by 7 to the power minus 5 equal to 1 by 7 to the power minus 3 into n plus 5. These bases are same and these two are in the form of multiplication, so the powers will be added. I wrote 1 by 7 to the power minus 4 plus minus 5, so powers are added. And this is followed as same 1 by 7 to the power minus 3 into n plus 5. The simplification of this term 1 by 7 minus 4 plus minus 5 equal to 1 by 7 minus 3 n plus 5. So these bases are same. We can cancel this base, and this calculation became 9. This much equal to minus 3 into n plus 5. Minus 9 equal to minus 3 into plus n. So minus 3n minus plus minus 3 into 5, 15. I changed the side by the rule of transposition. Minus 3n came this side. There became plus 3n equal to minus 9 went that side. That became plus 9 minus 15. N equal to, this subtraction is minus 6 by 3. So simplification became 3 2 is 6, n equal to minus 2. In question number 7, question is if 2 to the power 3x plus 1 into 10 equal to 1280, find the value of x. I wrote this expression here 2 to the power 3x plus 1 into 10 equal to 1280. So 2 to the power 3x plus 1 equal to, this 1280 will be divided by 10. 1280 by 10. So 2 to the power 3x plus 1 equal to this 0 cancelled, 128 is left. And then I found the prime factors of 128. There are 7 2. So I wrote 2 to the power 3x plus 1 equal to 2 to the power 7, because here 7 times 2 is coming. So these bases are same, so I cancelled it, and we have now 3x plus 1 equal to 7. 3x equal to 7 minus 1 by the rule of transposition. 1 went that side, so after going that side it will be minus. So 3x equal to 6, so x equal to 3 2 is 6, x equal to 2. Question number 8, express the number in the standard form. What is the standard form? When we write this in the exponential form, and this one digit, last digit of the number is 213 here, last digit of the number should come after decimal. First of all, I change this in fractional form. 213, there are 1 2 3 4 5 digits before decimal, so I gave here 5 zeros. Now to keep here decimal, because I told you we have to change this as 2 will come after decimal. For that we will put decimal, we will keep decimal after these 2 digits. So for that 00 will be cancelled and decimal will come here now. So 2.13. Since 00 is cancelled, so 3 zeros are left. I wrote here 3 zeros. Now in the exponential form we can write 2.13 into 10 to the power minus 3. Minus 3 because it will go up, and as it goes up then we have to write the negative index. There are 3 zeros, so there will be minus 3. Question number 4. The question is 0.000210. I wrote in the fractional form. So this 0 and this 0 cancelled. Now decimal should come after 1. For that also, since decimal is coming after 1 digit, so 1 0 will be cancelled. Here decimal came after 2 digits, so 2 zeros were cancelled. So after cancelling 1 0 we have 4 zeros left. So decimal came over here. If we cancel 1 0, decimal will come here. Always we have to keep last digit after decimal. So 2.1. Here will be only 4 zeros now. We'll write in the exponential form. This will be 10 to the power minus 4 because it is going up. So the index will be negative. How much? 10 to the power minus 4. So answer became 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 4.